Hey Brian, so we finished your website and we just wanted to send you this video with a preview of it so that you can get an idea of what it looks like and so you can let us know if there's anything that you would like us to change, such as colors, pictures, words, anything really. So this here is just an overview of what it looks like on different size screens, and I'll come back to that, but for the majority I'm just going to go and show you what it looks like on a computer. So this is your home screen. We have this little section just with some general information about you guys, and then we have a section about who you guys are, and if you click here it goes to the About Us section. Your services here, and then your work here, and it goes through the gallery over here on the right. Just kind of shuffles through that, and then the option for them to get a quote. So then next we have the services page, and this page is pretty simple because we go into more detail on the specific residential and commercial pages. And here you can see that we have these learn more buttons, and they actually go to those other pages if you click them. So for example, residential roofing, here we are. Got some information about what that means and why you guys are good at it, and then some details about these different services you offer. And then commercial roofing, the page looks very similar, but the words are completely different, going through pretty much the same things here. And then next we have the About Us page with the information you gave me about your business, some pictures, and then this came from one of the documents you sent me as well, just some of your all's values, and then links to documents. So if we click them, then it'll just go ahead and download the documents. And then your work, so we have this gallery page, super simple, just your photos, and the testimonials. So these are the testimonials and the reviews you sent me. You're able to expand it if someone wants to read the whole thing. And then these just small quotes from it that I pulled out. And then this button connects to the next page, which is Contact Us. Super simple page, just with the form here for them to contact you guys, and then up at the right we also have a Call Now button if they want to click and do that. So just so you can get an idea of what it looks like on the different pages, it's pretty much the same. The most different is the phone, and there's a couple places where you kind of have to cut out stuff with the phone just because it starts to get wonky, but for the most part it's all pretty much the same. And yeah, that's your website. So I really hope you like it, but if there's anything you want us to change, then like I said, please let us know, and we will go ahead and get that polished for you as soon as you're ready for that to happen.